actually created a beautiful place for them, a huge place I've taken on rent. And, now I have more than 90 dogs with me.
You had a fabulous career. You were
Yeah.
a director. You were doing really good in your
Yes.
life. Many would kill for this kind of job, right?
Yes. One day I just died working because that was the only thing I was doing in life.
आपको कभी कुछ सुनने को मिलता है, आसपास लोग तो हैं, आप जंगल में तो रह नहीं
Society.
रहे हो, तो कोई तो आके बोलता होगा कुछ. I mean, how do they look upon to a woman who is 50 plus, single, running a dog shelter,
doing whatever.
living life on her own terms?
I opened my eyes. I said, now I will open the shelter. Why I'm not having a faith and believe in me that I can do it. And it's been 4 years.
एंड वो पाथ जब आप चूज करते हो, जैसे आपने वो पाथ चूज करा विच यू मे बी समवेयर वांटेड टू, तो उसमें आई थिंक वी गिव 1000%, नॉट इवन 100.
तो ये तो मुझे करना ही है, अपने को प्रूव करना है, दुनिया को नहीं प्रूव करना है, किसी को नहीं करना. तो वो सब हो जाएगा. अपने को तो अपने पे ही फेथ नहीं रखोगे तो फिर लीप क्या करोगे? वहीं रहो जहाँ वो. तो आई सेड आपको अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो बस ये समझिए कि मेरे पेट डॉग्स हैं.
हाँ.
और मैं ये 90 घर पे तो नहीं रख सकती, तो मैंने इनके लिए घर खोल रखा.
वेलकम टू द पॉडकास्ट सीरीज ऑफ अनफोल्ड विद रिचा. बातें यहाँ होती है अनफिल्टर्ड, रियल, रॉ एंड कम्प्लीटली ऑनेस्ट. हम सबकी ज़िंदगी में एक वो टाइम आता है, चाहे वो हमारी रेगुलर ज़िंदगी हो या कॉर्पोरेट, हमें लगता है यार हम ये क्या कर रहे हैं, दिस इज़ नॉट माई कॉलिंग. और जैसे ये थॉट आता है, एक थॉट फिर दोबारा आ जाता है, मे बी आई एम हैविंग अ बैड डे, कॉफ़ी पी लेता हूँ, दोस्तों के साथ हो आता हूँ. बिकॉज कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलना इज स्कैरी. But my guest today, she did not push that thought away. She let that thought stay with her. And फिर उन्होंने कुछ ऐसा करा जो most of us would dare to do. She left her job at the peak of her career and she opened a dog shelter. She's in her 50s, single, completely unapologetic, one of the most clear-eyed women I've ever come across. Full of life. I hope and I'm sure this conversation is going to motivate and inspire lot many people. So let's unfold her story. Hi Deepa.
Hi, Richard. Thank you so much for having me here in your podcast.
Thank you for taking out time, Deepa. Means a
My
lot.
pleasure.
Before I get into the dog shelter story, I want to know and understand how was your corporate life? क्या किस स्टेज में थे आप अपने corporate life के? कुछ achievements आप बताना चाहोगे? What were you doing? How good, bad was it?
Career, working experience, 35 years in the industry, garment industry.
Yeah.
I was just enjoying thoroughly. And I was at the definitely peak. I was one of the directors in the company when I actually thought of leaving my job.
Okay.
And that journey was beautiful.
Uh-huh.
And I was enjoying it. Nothing was there. I was always single, full passionate about work.
Uh-huh.
Work and exercise, these two things were there in my life.
Uh-huh.
And I was enjoying. I thought, wow, what a life. And yes, but after some time, I started getting a push that I need to do something else. There has to be something else.
So actually, that's my question next. So you had a fabulous career. You
Yeah.
were a director. You were doing really good in your
Yes.
life. Many would kill for this kind of job, right?
Yes.
So before changed your path completely, when did that first crack appear in your thought? कि यार ये क्या कर रही हूँ मैं?
So as I mentioned, that things were kind of some hints I was getting, but it wasn't clear to me. But I think one day when I saw a dream.
Uh-huh.
Now with the open eyes or while sleeping, I don't remember that, but I just clearly saw that one day I just died working because that was the only thing I was doing in life. Right.
Right.
So, and everyone has to die. So I just thought, I saw that one day I was working and I just died, and I went to the God and I was very happy, and God is very happy to welcome me. And then he says, "Oh, bacha, welcome. So what did you do? I've given you such beautiful life. I've sent you there. So tell me what all you did."
Huh.
So I said, "Oh, I worked. I worked in someone's office
Huh.
the whole of my life." He says, "And?" And I was like, "And what? Nothing else in life. I just worked. I just worked in someone's company for 35 years of my life.
I think that night and then the next morning you.
I was, I got a shock. And whenever I woke up and I was like, I said, what? I don't have answer. What did I do? I was thoroughly enjoying. I am a blessed person.
Huh.
Believe that I'm the most blessed person in the world.
Huh.
But the thing is that I didn't have an answer. And when I questioned myself, the same thing, I didn't have anything in my list. My mom did so many things in life. You could write a book or something like that. And I just worked. Never got married, no affairs, like nothing for myself or anyone else.
So actually
just-
you don't have any story to tell
Nothing.
God.
No. So, okay. So I thought that, yes, no problem. Like, life is still there. And so that was one of the push I got. And I just decided without any planning or something that this is what I'm going to do. But yes, I joined a course to become a life coach while I was
Okay.
working.
Okay.
And also after COVID, I used to rescue dogs, in my whole of life.
Yeah.
But, I never thought that I'm going to create a shelter for them.
Yeah, this is my actually I wanted to ask
Never.
that why a dog
It
shelter?
just happened.
It just happened.
Things just happen in your life. You have to just keep moving.
But
with a
कुछ तो
faith.
पहले आप
So I
dogs के
was-
साथ
yes,
हाँ,
I was
कुछ तो
always
dogs would have been in your life पहले,
inclined
right?
to
Yeah.
dogs. I used to rescue them. I used to help. I used to, give donations to dog shelters and things like that. But the thing happened after COVID when there used to be a lot of emergencies and doctor used to say, bring this dog for 5 days. And then, so I said, where should I keep them and how I can get it them to you because they are on streets.
Oh, so okay, so basically you did when you made this decision that you wanted to open a dog shelter, did you have a pet with you?
I
A do-
always had a pet, and my present pet is again rescued from the road.
So आप शुरू से ही you were inclined to dogs,
And I
you
picked
to
them from
rescue
the-
dogs,
yes.
but ये कभी आपके thought में नहीं आया that I should open a dog shelter?
Maybe I never thought that I can do that. I can take this
yeah.
much of responsibility or something like that, but it never happened. But in that phase, when we had this crisis that you have to have a space to treat them at least, so I took a help of some caretaker, and we created a small area for dogs behind my society, and I said,
Okay.
okay, I'll pay for this, and we'll treat the dogs. So slowly, the number of the dogs kept increasing, and once the dog is rescued, then maybe that dog is not capable of living rest of the life on the road. So they
Okay,
will
they need a
still be,
shelter.
they still
Yeah.
will be with us. So the numbers kept increasing.
So आपने जब अपने सोसाइटी के पीछे जहाँ पे रखा लोगों ने ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं करा?
देखो आप जिंदगी में कुछ भी करेंगे लोग ऑब्जेक्ट करेंगे. So I never listen to anyone else except me.
Because this is
So-
very big concern,
Yes, but
right?
you-
Because the
whatever you
Supreme
have to
Court
do.
ruling and all that happened because of stray dogs and all. No?
Just keep everyone away and just do what you want to do.
Yeah, that
Only then you can do anything in life.
exactly.
Otherwise,
yeah.
people will always there to pull you down.
But जितने भी आपके dogs उस वक्त थे, you used to vaccinate them properly, and they
Yeah.
were all properly
Yeah, yeah,
vaccinated,
yeah.
right?
So regular feeding. So, and then as I said, when you move,
Mm-hmm.
things just happens, and God is always there to help.
Yeah,
But you have to walk, right?
yeah, yes, of course.
So I started walking,
Uh-huh.
and I started having support from people
Yeah.
to run the shelter.
So that beautiful. Okay, now your decision to, I understand that you were again inclined towards dogs आपको हमेशा आपकी ज़िंदगी का पार्ट रहे और आपने एक छोटा सा एक शेल्टर अपने सोसाइटी के पीछे भी खोला, बट वो एक डिसीजन कि मुझे कॉर्पोरेट छोड़ना है और डॉग शेल्टर खोलना है, वो जो डिसीजन था, was it like did you take time to change your path, or did you just वो आपको वो रात को एक वो thought आया और early morning next day you were like I'm going to leave this corporate world and shift my gears completely? How was the transition?
See, I took a decision that I have to leave without any planning of after leaving the job, what will I do? So
Okay.
I had in mind that I'll do different things which I never thought of.
Okay.
So I'll enjoy my life. I actually joined different courses,
Okay.
investment course,
Uh-huh.
life coaching, and things like. I was very kind of, the moment I came out of the industry, the
Huh.
next month I started having the, different classes and all the courses.
Uh-huh.
Still, and then my dog shelter was in a very small space. So I just thought that I'm going to rescue, treat them.
So when did you open this shelter after leaving your
So
job?
once the numbers were increasing,
Yeah. Then you
and
thought that you need a
the
bigger space.
space was kind of congested, and I was not happy with the caretaker that he is
Okay.
because I didn't have time to spare to
Huh.
look after the shelter, go to the shelter, things like that.
Huh.
So I was just providing the money
Huh. Huh.
for them to run.
Yeah.
And so I was not happy the way it was taken care of. So
Okay.
I always felt that, it's my responsibility. I've kept them there.
Huh.
And if they're not happy,
Huh.
that's not right. They must be happier on the road
Yeah.
otherwise.
Yeah.
So that was the time
That you opened a bigger
when
shelter.
I thought that I have to quit.
Okay.
I have to quit to create a better place and give them a better life.
I really wanted to know that if I would have been in your situation, leaving a director level job and
At the
thinking
age
of
of
at the
55.
age of, oh my god, and opening a dog shelter,
Yes.
most of people around me would think that I've gone crazy
Yeah,
or
yeah.
nuts.
People thought of
Yeah. So
that
the
I'm
same thing
crazy.
happened
Yeah,
with
yeah.
you?
This is why I said I'm single. I don't have any responsibility on me. So I can easily, quit. And then I'm confident that I can still earn and, live my
Yeah. Yeah, of
life.
course, because
It's
you have your education and you have your
everything.
experience
So,
behind you.
and
You
I
can always
never
join back the
fear for
trade.
anything because I
Yeah.
always know that, I believe in myself
Yeah.
and I am peace of God. No fear. God is always within.
Awesome.
So, yeah, so that was the thing. And people said that you are earning so well, and this is the actually the reason. If you're single, you shouldn't be leaving the job.
Hmm.
I said I see it opposite. I am single, no responsibility. I am the only one who can take this step.
Great.
If I had kids, I wouldn't have done it, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
So, so I was so happy. I said, okay, now I have too many kids to take care of them. So I actually created a beautiful place for them, a huge place I've taken on rent, and now I have more than 90 dogs with me,
Awesome.
and they are all healed. They are like living a normal and happy life,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm so, it gives so much of a what I can say. I don't even have words. The pleasure, the happiness. No, these are very small words. When you save somebody's life,
Yes.
oh my
And
God,
when you take responsibility of a life, I
they
mean,
are
it
all
is,
my
I
kids.
guess, the best,
Yes.
most of the best and most noble thing that you can do in your life is take responsibility of another soul.
See, and it's just I'm doing for myself.
Yeah, you're not
It's
doing for
not.
anyone else,
I don't
right?
want to show. I don't want to tell people. Not like it's been 4 years already. Lot of now people are coming to know that I run a shelter.
Oh,
Yeah, because I used to just rescue and keep them, treat them, do whatever. And as I said, that when you do something, the support comes
the support comes,
automatically.
yeah. Again, my next question, very
Yeah,
important question, Deepa, because finances.
yeah,
If anybody has to leave a corporate job, या 50 साल के हो 55 के हो 45 वट एवर, एक फाइनेंशियल नेट होना तो ज़रूरी है, राइट? उसके बाद मोस्टली लोग क्या करते हैं जब वो अपनी कॉर्पोरेट जॉब क्विट करते हैं, या तो वो अपना पैशन फॉलो करते हैं, ट्रैवल करते हैं, मुझ जैसे कुछ लोग थोड़ी पढ़ाई कर लेंगे फिर लाइफ कोच बन जाएंगे,
right.
बट हम किसी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं ले रहे हैं, हमें लगता है कि अब हमें फ्री होना है, राइट? आपने बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट करा, आपने एक तो कॉर्पोरेट जॉब छोड़ा और 91 सोल्स की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ली. इट्स नॉट ईजी. Now, finances also play a very important part.
Yes.
Many would not be able to take this step because they don't have finances, right? But this is my another next question, that you might, how were you financially placed? Like, were you very comfortable that, okay, I can take this on rent and, do this? Or how did the finances happen for you during that time?
See, when I quit, I never quit for like getting retired or something. I'll never get retired in life. So I just thought that this, because corporate life, you don't get time for yourself.
Yeah.
So I thought that, just taking a break, 1 or 2 years. So, some funds which will, I can run 2 years for running my house. And shelter was like, since I was in office, so when everyone knew that I'm trying to create a bigger space, and, so they started supporting me
Oh,
with the
okay.
donation,
All right.
and that too monthly.
Okay.
In the sense, if somebody is giving 1000,
Huh.
they will give me every month 1000.
अच्छा.
So that was like, it's a good thing. And the support came because from office till, I'm just talking about 4 years. From 4 years, the people who connected with me
Uh-huh.
to support me, they are still supporting me. One thing is there because they believe in me.
Huh.
They see that what I'm doing, it's
Yeah.
not like they're not putting a money where it's getting wasted or
Yeah.
they're getting used.
Yeah.
So that something which just happened. That's what I'm keep saying, that that belief was so getting so stronger, that once you take a step in a right direction with
Yeah.
a beautiful thought, or
लोग जुड़ते गए आपसे एंड
आराम से जुड़ते हैं, आराम से जुड़ते हैं, शॉकिंगली, मतलब मेरे को कई बार शौक लगा, बट आज भी लोग आते हैं, कहीं से भी मेरा नंबर मिलता है, एंड दे से आई टेल देम, प्लीज़ कम एंड first visit my shelter, see me, meet me, and then if you feel like donating, then you donate. I don't want, like, and I'm not asking. I
या
never
बिकॉज आई
ask.
एम रियली सरप्राइज्ड कि 4 साल में आपने ना उसको प्रमोट करा ना एडवर्टाइज करा, आप अपने थ्रू योर नेटवर्क ऑफ
मेरा
पीपल.
नेटवर्क ऊपर है, and that's enough.
दैट इज रियली ब्यूटिफुल
And
फेथ यू हैव.
yeah, of course, since beginning. But here, when I wanted to create like almost 1 acre of land I have on rent in one of the village. So it was a big responsibility. I never thought I'll be able to do it alone. So I had two friends who were connected to me, and I thought they will be, part of the, and we'll all together
Do this, right, huh.
open this shelter. So everything was okay. They were like saying, yeah, we will be with you and all that. But slowly, they started, like taking step back, and when it comes to putting the money. So then one day I was got frustrated, which I normally don't get frustrated, but I came home and I closed my eyes and I said, what's happening, Mahadev? So I got the answer. My Mahadev said, you are enough and that is enough. I opened my eyes. I said, now I will open the shelter. Why I'm not having a faith and believe in me that I can do it? And it's been 4 years. And it's my shelter. And people come and they ask, so who are you have partnership or you have partners with you? I said, no. And they don't believe. And even I go back and I said, oh my God. So the thing is that you are enough. We never believe.
दैट
We
फेथ इज वेरी
doubt
इंपॉर्टेंट.
ourselves. I don't know why.
जैसे मैंने अभी आप इंट्रो में भी बोला ना कि अगर कोई ये चीज़ लीप लेना भी चाहता है ना, तो फियर की वजह से वो नहीं ले पाते हैं कि ये कैसे होगा, कर पाएंगे नहीं कर पाएंगे, ये जो हमें एक फिक्स सैलरी मिल रही है वो नहीं मिलेगी, वो कैसे होगा.
बट किया मैंने. जैसे फर्स्ट जब मैंने इसको एस्टैब्लिश किया, तो बहुत पैसा लगना था टू क्रिएट द शेल्टर, बिकॉज इट
Yeah.
वाज जस्ट लाइक अ लैंड प्लेन. No rooms, nothing, no
Huh,
boundaries.
exactly, you have to build
And you have to
everything, yeah.
build, because dogs, you have to really create a good quality boundaries, because they try to break through and all that stuff. So I spent a lot of my money. I put in money. Never thought of it. I never thought of that, what I'm doing. People used to say it's COVID time, people losing their jobs, this, that. I said, I don't care.
So how do you sustain now finances?
And then people supported me, and whatever money I put in from my side, also kind of people supported me on that, and they also came. And now also people are getting added on. They come to me that we have heard about your shelter, and how can we support what we want? Just a direction.
Yeah.
God is not going to come and help you with money कि ये लो
Yeah.
भैया, ये बैग ले लो money का और कर लो. नहीं, वो अपॉर्चुनिटीज देंगे, वो
हाँ,
आपको सही लोगों से मिलवाएंगे.
yeah, they'll open few paths for
दैट
you,
इज द
but
मैन.
चलना तो आप ही को
लोग
पड़ेगा.
आते हैं, मैं भी सोचती हूँ, मैं उनसे पूछती हूँ कि आपको कैसे पता चला मेरे बारे में.
अच्छा.
देन दे से कि नहीं, हमने इससे सुना, उससे सुना. एंड कई बार बहुत ताज्जुब सा ही होता है कि यार ये कैसे हुआ, ये कैसे पता चला इनको. One day one lady came and she says, oh, I want to come. I said, okay. So she came and she saw and she was so happy. She says, I've never seen anything like any shelter like this. It's so clean. Dogs are so happy and healthy and doesn't look like. And she says, why do you call it a shelter? She says, it's such a paradise. I'm so happy and it's like a sanctuary. You should call it a sanctuary because you are saying that you're going to keep these dogs forever. I said, yeah, they're mine till they live. So she says, it's a sanctuary. Please call it a sanctuary. And it's so beautiful. And she says, I want to support you. And she came with a food bag for the dogs. And then she says, I want to support you more and all that. So I said, yeah, I have some pending bills with the vet, which I always have,
Yeah, of course.
for
Huh.
treatments and all.
Huh.
So I said, yeah, but you can make the payment to the vet
Huh.
only,
Huh.
not to me.
Huh.
And whatever.
Huh.
So this is okay. I gave the number and details of the vet.
Huh.
And by the evening, I came to know, and my pending bill was around 35,000 or something by that time.
Oh my God.
By
Right.
evening,
That's
I
huge
came
amount.
to know
Huh.
that she cleared my bill. She didn't even know me. She met me for the first time. And, by the evening, so I, like you get that thing. And I said,
Yeah.
wow,
And
thank
you
you.
get even more motivated
Oh,
to
yes.
walk this path because
Yeah.
चीजें होती जा रही है ना.
होती जा रही हैं. So, and when I'm not expecting, in the sense
Yeah.
that was my responsibility to clear the bill
Yeah.
of the vet.
Yeah.
So it was there ki, okay, I'll get some money and then I'll clear this. And, slowly I was clearing. And because you have to do a lot of arrangements also, apart
Yeah.
from feeding the dogs, because
Yeah.
I feed my dogs with a proper dog food.
Mm-hmm.
Twice a day. I really take care of the feeding because that is what they eat, that is what they're going to become. If they're not fed well, they'll be weak, they will have diseases, they have this and that. But if you fed them well,
What is the most difficult part about this, Deepa?
when I lose a baby, it's very difficult. And one baby, I remember, she was so sick. I treated her for a year, and she got paralyzed, and but she had some complications. But we were just working on her, and she was getting healed, and everything was good. And one day, some other disease came, and she's gone.
Oh.
So I was howling for 3 days. I could not, control myself. And she was such a dear because we really worked on her. And I was howling and howling and howling. And I spoke to myself, of course. I said, you have 90 of them. They all will go in front of me. What will I do? I'll howl like this.
My God, this is so profound. Actually, it's a fact.
They live for 15, 20 years max, right?
Yeah.
They all will die in front of me, na? So will I behave like this? So I said, if you can't do this, then leave what you're doing. Otherwise, be strong and just control yourself because that, and understand that that baby came to you for this much of a time. And you have given whatever, all the love and whatever you could do for her. And after receiving all your love and blessing, she's gone.
That's,
So I said,
I
yeah,
guess that's the
yes.
बहुत अच्छा भी एक है, but I'm myself
So,
is a pet
yeah,
parent. I can
yeah.
understand this is the
Losing
worst
them,
thing
yeah. So
to go through.
when I go to my shelter, they all scream, shout, Mama gai, Mama gai. And I know every dog by name because every dog has a history from how I rescued them. And they all
They all
realize
are
that.
rescue
They
dogs.
all are rescued. All.
All. And how do you rescue them? Like,
So,
Huh.
sometimes there will be a call that, some accident happened, somebody has beaten the dog, somebody has put acid on the dog, things like that. The people, cruelty is also increasing
yeah.
in our world.
Yes.
So then we used to treat them. Okay, get them to me. I will treat them with on a vet, and then I'll take them to the shelter. So like that. And from past, I would say 8 months, since people started coming to know that I run a shelter, so they are rescuing the dogs
Okay.
and they are sending it to my shelter.
All right.
That मैम आप प्लीज इनको रख लीजिए,
Okay.
because and we will pay for their food, feeding and monthly whatever, but you
Alright.
keep and
सो ये जो बोलते हैं कि हम मंथली देंगे, ये देते हैं
नहीं,
लाइक
कुछ
एक मंथ देते हैं लाइक क्या ये
कुछ 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 तो पतली गली से निकल जाते हैं.
डॉग तो हर दिन खाना खाएगा वो ऐसा
So
तो है
see,
नहीं एक ही
ये
महीने
चीजें
खा के.
आती है लाइफ में,
हाँ.
तभी है कि मेरे को आई नीड, देयर इज अ नीड फॉर मी टू अर्न,
यस
कि जब मैं अपने आप को भी वो करूं,
Yeah.
सक्षम बनाऊं, कि ऐसी होती, बट होती हैं ऐसी
होती
चीज़ें.
हैं.
कुछ लोग हैं जो जेन्युइन है, वो देते हैं कि हम देंगे या जो भी करेंगे. एंड आई हैव अ ह्यूज स्पेस. सो मेरे को यही लगता है कि अब ये जो शुरू हो गया, इस पाथ पे मैं आई हूँ, तो कल को कोई और भी मेरे से जुड़ सकता है कि ठीक है हम फंड करते हैं, आप बढ़ाओ अपना, आप एक 100 डॉग और स्पेस बनाओ एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. तो वो हो सकता है, होगा, बिकॉज चीज़ें अपने आप जुड़ती रहती हैं. अब ये मुझे
Exactly.
पाथ मिला और मुझे 100% कनेक्ट हुआ कि ये तो मेरा पाथ शुरू से ही था. अपॉर्चुनिटी ऐसी वाली अब मिली है कि मैं इनको अपने पास रख सकती हूँ.
उनका ध्यान
और
रख
हाँ,
सकते
तो
हो.
लोग कहने वाले बहुत होते हैं, जैसे अब सब हेल्दी डॉग्स हैं. हाँ, मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर ऑल हेल्दी. सो दे समबडी सेज दैट शेल्टर खोला आपने, आप ऐसे हेल्दी डॉग्स को रखा है. आई सेड अब ये अब हुए हैं हेल्दी ना, जब जिस हालत में आए थे, किस तरह से आए थे, उस टाइम से रेस्क्यू है, उसके बाद यू कांट लीव देम ऑन द रोड. सो आई सेड आपको अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा तो बस ये समझिए कि मेरे पेट डॉग्स हैं, और मैं ये 90 घर पे तो नहीं रख सकती, तो मैंने इनके लिए घर खोल रखा है.
And are they open for adoption if anybody
Yeah,
wants
of
to
course,
adopt?
of course.
Yeah.
बहुत ट्राई किया, अभी भी बहुत सारे पपीज भी हैं मेरे पास. जैसे अभी 6 पपीज आए थे कि उनकी मम्मी का एक्सीडेंट हो गया.
अच्छा.
So they cannot survive. They were like not even 2 months old.
Oh.
So some lady called me and she said that can you keep them, and I said अब ये सुन के अजीब सा लगता है ना कि मम्मी नहीं है तो बच्चा तो सर्वाइव कर ही नहीं पाएगा ना छोटा.
They need feed,
वो लेडी
right?
उनको
हाँ.
फीड कर रही थी रोड पे, एंड शी सेज वो मॉम का एक्सीडेंट हो गया, शी डाइड. अब नाउ इन बच्चों का कैसे करें, मतलब बच्चे को फीड करना या सो शी हैव गिवन मी दोज 6 पपीज.
हाँ.
तो ऐसे करके फिर जुड़ जाते हैं.
जुड़ जाते हैं.
अब वो शेल्टर आते वो इतने बदमाश हो गए कि उनको तो पूरा शेल्टर चाहिए, ये तो हमारी जगह है. सो अब वो हेल्दी हो जाएंगे ना, शेल्टर में खाना खा रहे हैं सब.
हाँ.
उनको वैक्सीनेशन, हर चीज़ का ध्यान रखा जा रहा है. फिर कल को आए कोई कहेगा कि ये तो आपने हेल्दी डॉग्स रखे हुए हैं. तो इसलिए मैं कभी भी ना पहले किसी की सुनती थी ना आज सुनती हूँ. मेरा घर है, मैं कुछ भी करूँ, मेरे बच्चे हैं. सो ये एक पाथ मुझे बहुत ब्यूटीफुल पाथ मिला है, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल. इतना सुकून मिलता है जब किसी की जान
I
बचाते हो.
know, I know. ऐसा कोई एक one of your dogs you would fondly remember, और आपका
Yeah.
कोई एक favorite of all the 91?
नहीं, फेवरेट्स तो खैर बहुत हुए. जैसे एक ये थी मेरी मंजू,
हाँ.
जिसका मेरे को मैं बहुत मेहनत की थी, एंड आई स्टिल फील सो क्लोज टू माई हार्ट. एक और आई थी, मेरा रेस्क्यू केस किसी ने दिया था, बहुत छोटी सी थी एकदम ही, बहुत ही क्रिटिकल कंडीशन में. उसके मतलब बहुत सारे डिजीजेस थे, वो थोड़ी सी ट्रीटमेंट करने के बाद आई थी, बट आई थिंक 2 months की थी. हाथ बाल भी पूरे नहीं थे, बहुत ही देखने में भी बिल्कुल ही चुईया सी लग रही थी. तो डॉक्टर ने भी मुझे बोला था कि मैम इसका ना थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी है, मतलब आप ज़्यादा होप मत रखना. एंड सो जिस लेडी ने मुझे उसको दिया था, तो उसने भी, उसका नाम लिलीपुट है. वो छोटी सी एकदम, उसको सर्दी के टाइम पे आई थी, नवंबर टाइम्स में आई थी. तो हमें ना आग जला के ना उसको, मतलब उसके सामने आग जला के रखनी थी. तो मतलब एक डॉग को ना हमें बहुत पर्सनलाइज वे में उनके लिए क्रिएट करना पड़ता है जगह, कि ये इसको बीमार है, इसके लिए आग जलानी पड़ेगी, या इसको ऐसा खाना देना पड़ेगा, या बहुत जैसे कहते हैं एकदम गोदी में बिठा के पालना पड़ता है. तो जो केयर टेकर है वो उसको बहुत सारी डायरेक्शंस, और वो उसने भी बहुत उस पर मेहनत की, आग जला के उसको, बहुत ही अजीब सी थी. और आज जिसने मुझे दिया था वो डॉग,
हाँ
वो खुद नहीं
नहीं
पहचानती
पहचानती।
कहती इसमें से लिलीपुट कौन है। वो गुंडा बन गई, वो तो इतनी लाडली हो गई है ना, उसको इतना शी बिकेम लाडली बिकॉज उसका इतना केयर किया
केयर
गया,
किया, पैम्पर हुई
गोदी
वो।
में पिला,
हाँ
सब उसको मिलने
हाँ
आ रहे हैं, लिलीपुट कहाँ है, लिलीपुट कहाँ है, वो तो सुपरस्टार बनी हुई है मेरे शेल्टर की। सो यू नो, एंड ये चीज़ जब वो बंदा आके कहता है कि भाई मेरा कुत्ता कहाँ है, मैं कहा ढूंढ लो, कहते नो वी कांट बिलीव दिस इज द सेम डॉग। ऐसे केसेस बहुत हुए हैं।
दिस इज सो ब्यूटीफुल।
सो वो लगता है ना कि कहते हैं आपके यहाँ पे आते ही बच्चा चेंज हो जाता है, यू नो। सो बट इनको चाहिए क्या,
हाँ
खाना, शेल्टर और प्यार। मैं सबसे बात करती हूँ जाके, सबको मेरे गले मिलना है, सब मेरे को कीचड़ कर देते हैं ऊपर से नीचे, बिकॉज सबको पुच्ची भी करनी है, हग भी करना है, सबको मिलना है। इट्स लाइक यू नो, सो ये जो प्यार है, उफ, वर्ड्स में तो बता ही नहीं सकते, इतना प्यार। और हमें पता है कि जानवर कितना यू नो अनकंडीशनल लव देते हैं।
yes,
उनको
of
सब
course.
स्टोरी पता है कि मैं
बिल्कुल।
कहाँ से कैसे उनको मैंने रेस्क्यू किया, वो जानते हैं। तो वो प्यार जो मिलता है ना, किसी से नहीं मिल सकता, और वो मुझे कितने सारों से मिलता है। ये मेरी अचीवमेंट है लाइफ की। और बाकी तो जो कर रहे हैं हम सब करेंगे, कुछ भी करूँगी इनके लिए मैं,
Yeah.
और आगे करती ही जाऊंगी। सो ये एक मोटिवेशन भी मिलता है आपको। और यू नो जब आप कुछ चीज़ कर रहे हो, और इतनी छोटी सी चीज़ है, किसी को आप खिला रहे हो, उसका बस ध्यान रख रहे हो, एंड यू नो यू क्रिएटिंग अ ब्यूटिफुल लाइफ।
आपके लिए कितनी छोटी सी है, बट बहुत लोग तो आई डोंट इवन थिंक दे कैन इवन इमेजिन डूइंग दिस। आई मीन, एंड देयर सो मेनी हु आर नॉट इवन प्रो डॉग्स। आई मीन, ये भी पीछे जो इतना वो
जी,
हुआ था अबाउट यू नो स्ट्रे डॉग्स
हटाओ and
एंड
all that.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट रूलिंग एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स,
मुझे
एंड
नहीं
यू हैव टू
समझ
डील
में
विद दीज काइंड ऑफ पीपल
या
आल्सो इन द सोसाइटी। दो दे वुड हैव देयर ओन रीजन, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट दे आर रॉन्ग और समथिंग। उनके साथ कुछ ऐसा शायद इंसिडेंट्स हुआ होगा, दे माइट हैव बीन बिटन बाय डॉग्स।
सिचुएशन हुई होगी, बट सिंपल चीज़ है कि अगर ये धरती आपकी है तो उतनी बाकियों की भी है। आप उस पे आज घर बना देते हो और कहते हो ये मेरा घर है, मेरी ज़मीन है, तो कुत्ता कहाँ जाएगा बेचारा, या जानवर कहाँ जाएगा? उसकी भी तो ज़मीन थी। आज आपने सोसाइटी बना ली है, उसको बोलते हो हटाओ यहाँ से। सो यू नो उसके लिए भी क्रिएट कर दो, बिग डील। एवरी सोसाइटी कैन क्रिएट अ स्पेस फॉर देम।
Then many
तो
there is
हेटर्स बहुत है ना,
yes,
हेटर्स भी है,
बहुत
बट आई एम सो हैप्पी कि लवर्स भी बहुत है। ऐसा ऐसा
एंड
लोग
आपको
काम
एक
करते
एक
हैं।
बात बताऊं दीपा, लवर्स ऑलवेज विन। मैंने ये भी देखा है,
Yeah.
जिस भी सोसाइटी में ऐसे दो पार्टीज तो हैं, हेटर्स एंड लवर्स, बट वो स्ट्रे डॉग्स उसमें वहां रहते हैं, उनकी जगह बन ही जाती है। सो
So, बट वही मैं कह रही हूँ, जो मैं लोगों को देखती हूँ ना किस हद तक काम करते हैं, मैं अपने आप को छोटा महसूस करती हूँ। लोग ऑफिस में जाते हैं, लॉट ऑफ लेडीज आई नो, दे गो टू देयर ऑफिस वर्क, शाम को आती हैं, कुत्तों के लिए खाना बनाती हैं, और रात को 11 बजे सड़क पे जा के खिलाती हैं अपने जो भी उनके स्पॉट्स हैं। मैं उनको कहती हूँ यार जो तुम कर रहे हो मैं नहीं कर सकती। वो कहते हैं मैम जो आप कर रहे हो वो हम नहीं कर सकते। बट द थिंग इज कि इतना लव देखती हूँ मैं, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, सुकून मिलता है। ठीक है, हेटर्स और ये सब हमेशा रहेंगे, ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता ना कि पूरी दुनिया एक ही लाइन में चल जाए। सो बट ये है, बट अपना फोकस और जो आपको करना है, जो आपका सोल बोलता है करने के लिए,
वो करना जरूरी है,
वो हमें करना चाहिए, क्योंकि उस पर डाउट नहीं आता। और किसी को आने मत दो ना अपने रास्ते में।
एंड वो पाथ जब आप चूज करते हो, जैसे आपने वो पाथ चूज करा विच यू मे बी समवेयर वांटेड टू, तो उसमें आई थिंक वी गिव 1000%, नॉट इवन 100,
एब्सोल्युटली,
बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग दैट वी रियली वांटेड टू डू।
मैं शायद शुरू से करना चाहती थी, और कभी मैंने सोचा नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे लगता था मैं केपेबल ही नहीं हूँ।
केपेबल नहीं हो। सो आपके घर में भी पेट्स हैं कितने?
रेस्क्यूड है, एक ही है, बट उसी के घर में मैं रहती हूँ। मैंने नहीं उसको रेस्क्यू किया, उसने मुझे किया।
यू फील दैट?
Definitely. He
You have-
came for a purpose.
Really? How?
All the dogs and these animals, whoever comes to our life, is a purpose. ये ऐसे नहीं आ जाते। और ये जो आया मेरे पास, वी ऑलवेज हैड डॉग, एंड अभी बीच में एक फेज में मेरा जो डॉग पास हुआ था, उसके बाद हमने नहीं रखा था थोड़े टाइम के लिए, एंड आई वाज शिफ्टिंग टू अदर प्लेस, तो हमने नहीं रखा था, मी एंड मॉम। So this one just happened. I was driving to office. I saw some small thing trying to cross the road, and I stopped the car. I saw there's a small puppy, heavy traffic, area. There, he's trying to cross. So I crossed the road. I picked him up. He was like a tiny, miny, ugly-looking types puppy. And I looked around. There was nobody. No dogs. No human. So I didn't know from where he came. And then I couldn't left him
Of
back
course.
on the road.
Huh.
So I put it in the car. I went to office. I said, okay, we have dog in office today.
You took him to office?
Yeah. I told
Okay.
the boss. I said, I know there's dogs are not allowed, but I have dog. So, and the team members started, pampering him. They gave a box and, the fabric to kind of cover him, and somebody's bringing milk, and so pampering him. So everyone asking who's he? I said, I don't know. So one of the girl only named him Snoopy. And then evening I took him home, and mom says, what is this? I said, this is it. This is our new baby. And this happened in 2019 December.
Huh.
And after 6 months, my mom passed away. And I used to live with my mom, right?
Huh.
So I realized that he just came to me for this reason, that when I come home after like my mom left, when I come home and
There is
open the door,
somebody
there
in
is
the
somebody waiting for me.
Beautiful.
If that would have been not, he would have not been there, I would have been a different situation, because this I couldn't have managed. Difficult, like you're living with your mom and mom taking care, and suddenly she's not there, and you open a door and there's nobody in the house. I wouldn't even like to go in the house, right?
Exactly. So he came for a purpose.
He came for the purpose. He just came for me. He came for me. And there was not even one day when I felt that, kind of thing. Somebody's not there. He was waiting, jumping, the way the dogs do. You just forget everything.
Yeah.
And then
Yes.
I realized that, oh,
कोई भी इतना खुश नहीं होता है आपके आने से जितना डॉग होता है. कोई भी आपका
कोई भी,
बच्चा भी
कभी
नहीं
भी.
होता है.
आप 2 घंटे के लिए बाहर निकलो, फिर आओ तो वही.
Again, they are excited. That's the beauty of dogs,
So,
actually.
बट ये है कि ही उसी का घर है भाई, उसके हिसाब से मैं रहती हूँ. उसके घर पे उसने मुझे रखा हुआ है. And he cares for me.
I want to ask you personal questions also, Deepa.
Sure.
Since you are 50 plus and single, society generally has very different expectation from a woman who is 50 plus. कि अभी तक तो बच्चे हो जाने चाहिए थे और एक दो की तो शादी भी हो जाती 55 में, तो भी ठीक ही था. एंड यू आर गोइंग जस्ट अगेंस्ट एवरी नॉर्म अबाउट द सोसाइटी. आपको कभी कुछ सुनने को मिलता है? आसपास लोग तो हैं, आप जंगल में तो रह नहीं रहे हो, तो कोई तो आके बोलता होगा कुछ. आई मीन, हाउ डू दे लुक अपॉन टू अ वुमन हु इज 50 प्लस, सिंगल, running a dog shelter,
doing whatever.
living life on her own terms. मतलब
They're
हर
all
चीज
jealous.
आप wrong check tick कर रहे हो. check.
The world is so jealous about me. But so what happened? See, getting being blessed to get this type of a family.
Yeah.
And also, we can say कि खाली family नहीं, खानदानी हमारा ऐसा है
Okay.
जिसमें बिलीव ये है कि बच्चा खुश रहे. इम्पॉर्टेंट इज वो खुश रहे, शादी करके ना करके, काम करके ना करके, डजेंट मैटर, खुश रहे.
That's very progressive thought.
सो उसमें कभी कोई कंडीशन नहीं रखी.
हाँ.
मी एंड माई सिस्टर वाज देयर.
हाँ.
सिस्टर गॉट मैरिड, बट मेरे से कभी किसी ने क्वेश्चन भी नहीं, ना पेरेंट्स ने कि भाई करनी है नहीं करनी है. एंड वी वर ऑल ओपन, लाइक तुम शादी करो, जिससे करनी है करो, इट्स ऑल ओके. मतलब वी वर टोल्ड कि जिससे करनी है भैया ले आना, हम शादी करा देंगे.
हाँ.
सो कभी ऐसा कोई रोक टोक या कुछ नहीं था हमारी लाइफ में कभी भी.
हाँ.
तो मुझे कभी फील ही नहीं हुआ. मैं अपने में काम में बहुत एनग्रॉस्ड रहती थी और बड़ी खुश रहती थी. और लाइक व्हेन यू वर्किंग, यू हैव सो मेनी पीपल टू टॉक, टू मीट, टू डू थिंग्स. यू आर सो काइंड ऑफ. तो मुझे कभी ऐसा फील भी नहीं हुआ. और जो हमारा खानदान भी ऐसा है, कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं करेगा. और सोसाइटी को तो सुना ही किसने कभी.
Exactly. I was about to
Society,
ask आसपास के
नहीं,
लोग.
आसपास के लोग आसपास के ही रहने दो ना. वो बल्कि जलते हैं, बिकॉज व्हेन यू अचीव देन दिस ऑल स्टार्ट प्रेजिंग यू सडनली.
Yeah.
Wow, look at her. She's doing so good. She travels every month and this and that. वो वहाँ पे चेंज हो जाता है.
They want to be part of your tribe then
आपको
अचानक से.
खींचना सब चाहेंगे, टांग
हाँ.
खींचना चाहेंगे, बट अगर आप उनको नहीं खींचने दोगे और आप अपने सक्सेस की तरफ बढ़ेंगे, और तब लोग देखते हैं कि फिर आते हैं साथ में कि ओ आई विश कि हमारा बच्चा भी ऐसे कर लेता, या ऐसा आपकी बेटी तो ये, आपकी बेटी. सो यू नो, लिसन टू योरसेल्फ.
Yeah, that's very
आप सुनते
important.
सबकी हो, चलो सुन लो,
हाँ.
उठा लो उसमें से जो आपको उठाना है, जो आपको चूज व्हाट यू वांट टू पिक अप.
What suits you?
यस,
Yeah.
एंड व्हाट यू वांट टू डू.
Yeah.
यहाँ की सुननी है,
हाँ.
अपने सोल की. सोल पर्पस लेके आए हो ना कोई,
Yeah.
तो सोल की सुन लो, जहाँ पे कनेक्ट होता है कि हाँ दिस मेक सेंस टू मी, डू दैट.
Yeah.
आई अंडरस्टैंड सिचुएशंस लोगों की बहुत अलग होती है.
Yeah, yes.
काफ़ी लोग अपने हिसाब से नहीं चल पाते हैं, बट द थिंग इज़ कि जैसे मैं कहती हूँ कि हम अपनी लाइफ खुद ही क्रिएट करते हैं. क्रिएट हम ही करते हैं ना. अब मैं अगर किसी ऑफिस गई, मैंने ज्वाइन किया, तो मैंने ही ज्वाइन किया ना. अब इफ़ आई एम नॉट लाइकिंग दैट जॉब, तो रोना बंद करो ना, छोड़ दो, दूसरी कर लो. मतलब रो के क्या मिलेगा मुझे.
Yeah. Basically, what you're saying is again very, very, very practical thing and best thing to do. That situation or circumstances को blame करना बंद करो. Take action. Listen to what you want to do in life. And eventually, अगर आप full time नहीं कर सकते हो, तो कम से कम कुछ time तो उस चीज़ को दो what you really want to do. So अगर कोई just maybe you know one question, if somebody wants to take that leap, what you took. The only advice, and the person has to maybe think about finances also, family also, everybody. Any advice you would like to give to that person?
एडवाइस विल बी, फियर को हटाओ, फेथ में बदलो. अगर फियर है तो छोड़ दो, क्योंकि फिर नहीं हो कर पाओगे आप. हमेशा फियर ही आपको खींचता रहेगा. फेथ एंड पूरा डेडिकेशन. काम बहुत
Yes.
ज़्यादा करना पड़ता है,
Yes.
मगर पकड़ लो ना उसी को. ये तो मुझे करना ही है, अपने को प्रूव करना है, दुनिया को नहीं प्रूव करना है, किसी को नहीं करना है. सो वो सब हो जाएगा. अपने को तो अपने पे ही फेथ नहीं रखोगे, तो फिर लीप क्या करोगे? वहीं रहो जहाँ वो.
या तो लीप करने की मत सोचो, सोच रहे हो तो
Yeah.
फियर को जरा
बिकॉज
side
इवन
कर
आई
दो.
से कि इवन होप हैज टू थिंग्स.
Yeah.
होगा या नहीं होगा.
Hmm.
फेथ इज जस्ट वन थिंग, होगा ही. फियर के साथ तो फिर आपको कहना बहुत आसान है, फियर से हटो, बट आप हट सकते हो.
बिल्कुल, आई टोटली
आप
एग्री.
हट सकते हो.
इट्स अ वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस. ये भी नहीं है कि आप एकदम उठोगे और एकदम से आप
हाँ,
फियरलेस हो जाओगे,
नहीं,
बट दैट वर्क इज समथिंग दैट यू हैव टू डू ऑन योरसेल्फ एंड दैट इज मस्ट.
एग्जैक्ट. इतना प्यार दुनिया में स्प्रेड करना है कि सब लोग उसी में आ जाए, वो वाइब्रेशन से कनेक्ट हो जाए, और वो भी वही लैंग्वेज बोलने लगे. ये हमेशा एक क्षमता है.
आपके आसपास तो बहुत प्यार है. वो 91 सोल्स जिनको आप पाल रही हैं,
बहुत.
वो तो प्योर अनकंडीशनल, आई गेस द बेस्ट लव एंड अफेक्शन यू कैन गेट, यू आर एक्चुअली गेटिंग फ्रॉम 91 souls. I think nobody is as lucky as you are.
I
right?
am super lucky.
Yeah, great. So, Deepa, would you want to give any message to our viewers about your dog shelter? Obviously, I'll be posting videos and address and everything. But any message you would want to give to our viewers about your dog shelter? I mean, about, maybe they want to get, आपसे जुड़ना चाहते हैं अगर वो किसी तरह से. So, any message you want to give?
See, of course, more than welcome if somebody wants to come and, join hands, support my shelter, and, in any ways, by donations or by food or anything they want to connect, and they can come and spend time and have all the fun which I have
Yeah,
when I
yes.
go. So they can bring their kids, show them. It's very important to spread this
Yeah.
thing in the kids.
Kids, right.
Because when you see a kid, they love animals.
Oh, yes.
I've seen small babies. If you're going with your dog, their eyes will be on your dogs
Yeah.
because they so connect.
Yeah.
So if they are given from now that they are all harmless, they are all good animals to be with, play with them and all that. So they'll get the message that they are harmless. They are we are supposed to live with them.
Of course, and they'll have that kind of
Exposure to
yeah,
have
yeah,
spend time.
Yes.
So they are most welcome to come. In case they cannot come and support my shelter, 2 रोटी बनाते हैं ना अपने लिए, 1 रोटी किसी भी भूखे के लिए रोज बना लें और उसको खिला ले जहाँ भी आप है. that is going to be, that will change.
It was lovely talking to you, Deepa, but I have a very, end of the session, I do this rapid fire questions. And I
Ooh.
have few rapid fire for you as well.
All right.
All right. One word for who you were at 35.
A charming lady.
One word for who you are now.
Mommy. The most loved mommy.
Vet bills or EMIs, which one hurts more?
EMIs.
Something you gave up that you actually don't miss at all.
People keep saying that, you should have got married. Why you're not married? But I said that was not meant for me.
So you don't miss that all at all.
Yeah, because I never wanted. So,
Something you thought you'd be fine without and you're not.
mommy.
The most ridiculous thing someone said when you told them you were leaving your corporate life.
Yeah, this is not the age to quit. 55.
Yeah.
You should be making more money for yourself. Secure. I said, secure what? I have to live a life.
The dog at the shelter you'll never forget.
Manju and Sonu.
If this life were a dog, what breed would it be and why?
Me. खूंखार भेड़िया ही होती.
वो डॉग की ब्रीड नहीं है. डॉग की ब्रीड बताओ आप.
Rottweiler.
Rottweiler. I love Rottweilers. And why?
जिसने कुछ किया.
उसको फाड़ दो. बहुत बढ़िया. One dog breed that reminds you of your old boss. Oh shit, that's a nasty question.
Boss.
You don't have to name the boss.
No, but
at
luckily-
least let me know the breed you would
Luckily,
want.
again,
Yeah, him or
all
her
my
to be.
bosses in life were so good to me.
Really?
All.
So कोई cute सा बोल दो फिर breed.
हाँ तो Pomerian types.
Pomerian. Chalo. This conversation, this podcast was very close to my heart as well because I'm a pet parent. And I hope Deepa's story inspired and motivated. जितना मुझे करा है उतना आपको भी. इनकी कुछ वीडियोस शेल्टर की मैं डालूंगी अपने चैनल पे. आप देखिए उन्हें एंड इनसे जुड़िए. जो भी आप हेल्प कर सकते हैं, इट्स अ वेरी नोबल कॉज, डू दैट. एंड अगर आपको ये पॉडकास्ट पसंद आया, प्लीज़ लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए एंड फॉलो माई चैनल. थैंक यू सो मच.